In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft Word documents. Saving your work in Word is one of those basic skills that seems simple, but it's absolutely essential. If you get into the habit of saving properly and often, you'll avoid losing important documents and make it much easier to find and share your files later on. Let's start with the most common method, using the save command. Once you've typed something into your document and you're ready to keep a copy of it, look toward the top left corner of the Word window. You'll see the File menu, or in newer versions, you might see a small blue disk icon, which is the Save button. Clicking this for the very first time on a new document will open a window asking where you want to store your file and what you want to call it. Here, you can choose a folder on your computer, like Documents or Desktop, or a cloud location such as your organization's OneDrive, depending on what's available to you. It's a good idea to pick a spot you use regularly so you can find your document again without hunting for it. In the File name box, type a name that clearly describes what the document is about, rather than leaving it as something generic. Once you've done that, make sure the file type is set to Word document. Then click Save. After the first save, things get much easier. As you continue to work, you can simply click the same Save button, or use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This updates the existing file with your latest changes, without asking you to choose a location again. If you ever want to keep your original document and create a new version with a different name, use the Save As option under the File menu. This lets you choose a new name or a different folder, while leaving the original file untouched. It's especially handy when you're working with templates or creating multiple versions of a report or assignment. Finally, make a habit of saving frequently as you work. Even though Word often has an auto-recovery feature, it's not a replacement for manually saving. Every few minutes, tap that shortcut or click Save, so you're never at risk of losing important edits, and that's all there is to it. Choose a location. Give your document a clear name, save early, and save often.